So I am creating a Raspberry Pi project, and this behind is the Raspberry Pi back there, and this is the passive infrared sensor, and I have it connected at the moment with a Raspberry Pi camera in the back, which I'm still trying to get it figured out and export. So to get started, I'm going to show you how I've been doing my working on the Nord VPN, giving me some issues. Oops, sorry. And that right there is showing that it's disconnected at the moment, so I'll get that worked on. And this will show you that I've successfully taken a picture, but I can't display it at the moment, so I gotta figure that out. And let's try to run some sample code and see how it goes. So, alrighty here. Let's see here. 3 demo 2. So .py. And there it is. Since I'm in front of it, it's detecting me at the moment. So if I stay still for a little bit, it should say no motion detected. So, and watch, I'm going to move again. There you go. It's motion detected. So, yeah. So I'm going to stop. And then, there we go. So I'm going to cancel it right now. And yeah, hopefully that'll be the end of my demo 1, and demo 2 will be a little bit smoother.